Hello everyone. The product advanced attribute is a powerful app that allows user to enhance their online product listing with the advanced product attributes. With the help of this app, user can easily search, filter and compare the product with the attributes on their website product page. User also have an option to set a priority level for each and every attributes that we have created, and also it will always display on the website page according to the sequence number that we have generated. Website product advanced attribute is a perfect app to help you to optimize your online product listing. Now let's get into the website and see how it actually works. So at website we can see an option named an attributes. So from here we can create an n number of attributes for each and every products. So from here we can see an advanced options like using search, using compare, using filter and also the priority sequence. If you need to add this particular attributes in the search, we need to enable this option, and if you need to add this particular attributes in the comparison state, you can use and compare right away here. And also if you need to add this particular attributes in the filter format, you can use and filter right away here. And also you can use an priority sequence to assign and each and every attributes in the priority level in the website form. So after creating of each and every attributes, we need to enable these attributes on each and every product. So let me get into the product. So for that, let me get into the e-commerce. Under that we can see end products. Okay, so let me get into the one of the product. So from here you can see the customizable desk, which is one of the product that I have created. Now let me get into the attributes. So from here we can see these products or comes under these types of attributes. For example, if it is a color, you can see it's in white and black, and also in the legs you can see it's a steel, aluminum and a custom. Okay, so like the same way we can create all the ad products, and also we need to enable all the attributes in each and every product. Now let's get into an website and see how we can see these attributes. So for that we need to get into the website. So from here under shop we can see all the products. Now user can see and set the attributes according to the priority sequence number on the website shop page. If user enables the use in filter option on the attributes only, then the user can see an attribute filter on the website shop page and can filter the products by the attributes. So for example, if I need only an steel products, so I can use an steel option right away here, and from the duration we can filter it out right away here. Okay, it will give an accurate product that you have searched. And also we have the other options like we can search. So for search we need to, let me remove these options. Now for search we can choose any attributes that we have added to the each of the product. So for example, let me choose and white as a color. Okay, so from here you can see for this particular product I have added an attribute as a color as a white, right? If user enable using search option only, then the user can search a product using an attribute value on the website shop page. Now let's get into an products again. Now we have the option to compare with an attribute. So for that, if user enables the use in compare option only, then the user can compare a product by the attributes on a website shop page. Now let's compare the product of this product with an this product. Okay, now you can see there is a two comparisons which is added here. Okay, now let's compare it. Now from here you can see I have added an comparison for these two products. So we can see the price of comparison, brand, legs, and also you can see the color of it, right? You can see the dimensions as well as the durations. That is, these are the attributes which we have made. So in this way, we can make use of this module to have an option to search and compare product attributes on the website shop. Thank you for watching.